Boy, I can't recommend Bruce highly enough. There are just so many things about him that made him a great teammate, that make him a really valuable contributor to any team that I would want to be on. If I were to know that Bruce were on a team right now and there was a job opening for a curriculum developer, I would want to be there. And, the reasons for that are multiple. The first is his technical acumen. I know I could count on him to ask about a bit of technology. I'll figure out where to go when I needed to find some information. He's just top-notch technical guy, and I can always rely on him for that. I think Bruce is a leader. He's the kind of person who people look up to. People have a lot of respect for him, and anybody who was working with him could always count on him for advice or guidance or support of any kind, not just technical, but how do I solve this kind of problem, with even anything like interpersonal or a business process related thing. I think Bruce is just an amazing resource in that regard. Also, I think Bruce really understands the business implications of technologies and of processes. How, if I were to perform this task this way, how would that affect the business? If I introduce this technology into my stack, how does that affect the business outcome? Because after all, that's the reason that these technologies exist. And I think some people understand that, but I know for a fact that Bruce does. And then finally, I think Bruce really understands how to manage a project. He understands what the different stages of a project are and what's important to get done during the different stages, and what do you need to be aware of, and where do you focus resources during different times. So yeah, I couldn't imagine a better contributor to my team, and Bruce is just somebody I always want to work with.